Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off and isolating the scooter. This prevents unexpected motor spin while you work. Once done, deflate the tire completely. Remove the valve core so air escapes quickly and the bead relaxes. Make sure you have your wrench and a valve core tool. Then, while holding the wheel, back off the axle nuts or undo the quick-release skewer about 1/2 turn so the wheel can drop free. You're now ready to lift the wheel out carefully and move to the next step. With the wheel removed, place it rim side up and use 2 tire levers to pry one bead over the rim edge. Do this gently to avoid pinching the tube. Once a section is free, hold that spot and work the other lever around roughly 1/2 of the circumference until the bead lifts fully. Support the rim so it doesn't flex, and then pull the inner tube or tubeless insert out slowly while checking the valve seating. Inspect rim tape and valve area for sharp objects or damage before reinstalling. You'll start reassembly by seating the tube or tubeless insert into the tire, ensuring the valve is straight in the rim hole. Push the valve through and thread a nut a few turns if available to hold it. Partially inflate to 5 to 10 psi to set the bead, then work the remaining bead on and inflate to the recommended pressure. Once at pressure, spin the wheel and inspect for wobble. Tighten the axle to spec. If the tire won't seat or you hear hissing, use soapy water to locate the leak and recheck rim tape and valve core.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.